Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Cause I won't let you.
No doubt.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
Welcome back to another Student versus Teacher.
The fun-filled adventures of us.
Not them.
That's right.
For sure.
You know what? In the words of Billy Madison,
Yeah.
did you ever want to see a blue duck?
Why did you draw a blue duck? Because I wanted to see a blue duck. I've never ever seen a blue duck.
So, I have.
A duck!
Look how cute he is. I'm so going to play with him in the bathtub.
I'd know, right?
Love it.
Now, them ducks are from the same people that make
Paw Pals.
the teddy bears that we did.
Yes. I love that set, actually. We picked
Yep.
that up for a bargain price last week. I think it was like $5 or $8.
I know.
And 2 inside the box.
And they also make balloon animals.
Because remember when they first come out, 2 of them Paw Pals for that size bear was like $12 or $14
Yeah.
for that one.
Yeah.
So 2 for $8, we got a bargain.
That's
people.
it. They're all on clearance at the moment, so rush into your Kmart store if you're in Oz and cash in.
They got Stitch too.
They do have Stitch.
I got Stitch.
We've got Stitch.
He's
So
sitting there ready to play.
what we're going to do is have some fun and pour on some ducks.
Yes, we are.
So
Are you ready?
let's go
I
Bubbleina.
have my split cups seriously friggin' full here.
Now, I forgot to say, they come with the paints.
Yes. Little plastic,
They come with
paper
like a
plate,
little paper plate to put your slops
Yep.
into and all the rest of it.
little scoopies, and actually there's a cup over here. Well, you know what? I'm not going to move and get
No.
that because I will spill shit everywhere.
There's a little cup. We using the split cup today just for giggles, but it comes with like just a paper cup. But they're just a whole heap of fun. They give you some crazy marble effects when you do this sort of stuff. So
And we haven't tried it with a split cup, so today is the day.
it is.
Now I'm going to use my spinner in my advantage here.
That's right. That's the beauty of having a spinner. And when it comes to spinners, ours is actually a glass Lazy Susan.
Yes, it is.
It has a single seal bearing in it.
Yep.
What I'll do is I'll take some B-roll and show you what it actually looks like before it's covered in paint.
Yeah, it never lasts
And they're
for
like
long.
$10 or something like that, so they're pretty cheap.
Check this out. I'm having a ball, people. Just saying.
How much fun is it just pouring paint on something?
How cool is he looking, my blue duck? Good idea, Billy Madison. You rock. Just saying. Let's get some extra through there. We need it to run a bit this way because there's one section that's a little bugger to get to. So we're going to cheat. Use the weight of the paint. There we go.
There you go.
I'm getting better at these.
You are.
My first one seriously sucked. But as you have a play, you figure out different things that you can do. Like I'm going to cheat right there. Scoop from the bottom. And get some to go up there, see? Because he's a bit tough to get under that beak.
They actually come with a little pooper scooper like this for using that. But Bubbles is, Bubbles.
Can I have that for a minute?
You most
That'd be
certainly can.
Fantastic. Well, I don't like instructions.
And they're the little paper cups.
Actually, I don't think I need that now because my way still works. Check that out.
I know.
Yeah. So that's what I think of your instructions.
Fair enough. It's whatever, Bubbles.
I'm shocking, guys. Like, seriously, I'll never forget the time I was so proud of myself. Bought this shelving furniture for all my DVDs to go on. Wombat wasn't home, so I'm like, I don't need him. I'll build this myself. And then I seen the directions and went, pfft, he needs that. So, took me good hour and a half to build this simple shelf. I'll take a photo of it so you can all see how tricky this shelf was not. And Wombat got home and went, yeah, Bubbles, it looks great, but
You built
you
it
built it
upside
upside down. Didn't you read the instructions? Yeah, no.
Don't forget his bum.
Yeah, I just want to make that a bit wider like that.
How cool
And
are these?
then I'm going to work on his ass. Oh, you said bum. Yeah, that's probably nicer. Work on his bottom.
These are great for the grandkids to play with, and
Yeah, they can watch you do it.
yeah. Exactly. Now, kids, this is how we do this.
Do you need me to show you again?
But can I have a go, Nana?
No, we've run out of ducks now.
We've run out of ducks. I'm terribly sorry. No ducks for you.
I'm just swallowing his butt. I'm a terrible human being. I really am. Alright.
Hey, they are just so freaking cool.
Now, I need my little pooper scooper here.
Yeah.
Just to help that run down.
Yeah.
Because it'll keep coming. That's the joy too of scooping this stuff, because it's just ending up like a flow coat on a canvas.
Exactly.
And the rest will come down.
And this stuff dries pretty quick.
Oh, it's great.
It's like, what, 2 days?
Not even. Like the last one was a day, yeah, about a day.
Overnight you could pretty much touch it. Then again, we were at 40-degree days here at the time, so
yeah,
that's Celsius.
Alright, so that looks...
But it dries quick and it doesn't crack.
No!
Like, it's on there really thick. I mean, there's a heap of paint on that. But it doesn't crack, so...
It just amazed us. We're like, what is this magic?
Yeah. And another fun thing is, you can embellish it.
Yes,
Once it's dry, you can get your paint pens out and have a bit of fun with it.
I started doing a bear probably about 6 months ago. It's still not finished.
You did do a bear. I'm going to put that up on the screen. That's your bear.
But he's still not finished. I keep promising it's going to be for a lady at work that just had her first grandchild. So we're going to do the date of birth and the name on a little heart hanger to go around his neck.
Yep.
But it really takes patience because everything I do is freehand.
Mm-hmm.
So...
Yeah, you don't use stencils or anything like that. It's all
oh,
just
look, don't get me wrong.
top of your head.
Yeah, I don't mind the tattoos and stencils. They look great, but my preference is I like getting in there and just going.
Yeah.
But in saying that, anyone that does freehand would understand the frustration of them curved surfaces and trying to get perfect defined lines.
Yeah.
It really sets off your...
That is one super cool duck. Look at him.
It definitely sets off your Tourette's. Alrighty. Curved surfaces really
yes.
do. Oh, you know what? I dig him. Look at his little feathered fluffy
just
butt
so
even.
Cool.
See his little fluffy butt? Look.
I love it. And super easy to do. Like, it's a no-brainer.
Look at all them cool effects. I love him. There you go. Yep. Billy Madison was spot on. How cool does a blue duck look?
My best advice is, if you are having a total shit day,
oh yes,
you're frustrated from work, or you've been painting all day and nothing's working, your blooms don't work and your swipes aren't working and your pillow paint's too thin and blah blah blah, all the rest of the garbage.
Put them all down.
Put it all away. Grab yourself a duck or a bear or something like that. Just pour paint all over it.
Even a glass vase.
Yeah.
Man, I've seen some really cool effects on theirs. I mean, we've got a lady in our paint pouring group, Grace Art Paradise.
Yeah.
She does some of the...
Di.
Oh, Di does amazing work on vases, cups. I don't think anything's safe, but...
Yeah, everything's a victim.
Honestly, check her work out on Facebook. Some of the best stuff I've seen.
Well, that looks absolutely... I'm going to do a flyover of that one, Bubbles.
I dig him.
It gives the craziest marble type effects, doesn't it?
Yeah, really does. I wasn't going to put all the white in because I knew it would pastel some of these. But I'm sort of glad I did.
I love it.
Thank you.
That's super cool.
Blue duck.
Blue duck.
Alrighty. That's cool.
I thoroughly enjoyed that. That was a load of fun.
What do you think, Shake? You've been a while. You've been ditching us for ages.
I think that was absolutely amazing.
Yeah? Thank you.
Now you do one wombat.
Oh, I nearly knocked one amazing duck off the cup then, so I'm going to stop scraping its butt and just...
All right.
It moved. Okay.
We'll press pause and I'm going to have a turn.
Yeah, but can you take a reel first? Because I'm going to slip it off the
yes,
cup in a
mate.
minute.
I'll do that.
Sweet. Thanks, Tinker Girl. We're back, Mr. Wombat. That looks crazy in that cup.
Oh, mate. Look at that. Look at that.
That looks nuts.
Delicious. Right, I'm going to be different. I flip mine upside down so I can get his neck.
You learnt by my mistake. Living's learning, right?
Right, so that way you can get to that part easy. And the other bits that you know are a problem, like that bit.
And this is the joy of someone going before you.
It is.
Really like the colours that come in your pack. Aren't they gorgeous?
Aren't they what?
That's cool. Really like that blender colour. You didn't put gloves on, Wombat.
I didn't. I forgot. I got too excited about playing with ducks.
Because it is a bit of a bugger to get off, isn't it?
Because, you know, I do love ducks.
I'll never forget the first time we got flooded here, just the backyard floods. It looks like a pool. And Wombat's face of delight the next morning when there were 5 ducks swimming in the backyard. So at least you took a positive away, didn't you?
I did.
From being flooded, you got pet ducks for a few weeks.
I got pet ducks. They're great. And they even come back and visit all the time now.
They do. Especially when you may not see them for a while, but when there's been rain, they come and check the place out.
Well, so get to the areas where you know it's going to flow over.
You put a lot more thought into yours. I just went, yeah. Pour it everywhere. How different two minds can work, isn't it?
That's the beauty of this stuff.
It really is. Oh, I love that. I like you added the black. That's really cool.
Yeah, there's a part that I can't get to quite underneath.
Get your scooper.
So I'm just going to get my little poop scooper. And just wet it down like that.
I love his head. His head looks amazing.
There we scrape his bob.
I like how all the colour swirls sort of look like feathers, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I love it.
Ducks are actually cooler than the bears, I think.
Yeah. So what I did was I multi-layered mine in my cup.
Yeah. I do wish I had done that because I noticed I lost a lot of the... I was hoping I'd have a lot more of the dark blue.
So there was actually layers of purple, pink, green, purple, pink, green, purple, pink, green.
Yeah.
So when you layer them, you're going to get different patterns as it goes.
But I like how you let the bold sit on the head.
Yeah.
That looks really mad.
And then I cheated. I add a little bit of the Montmartre Supercell Black. Just because I know it's nice and thin.
Flowed nice, didn't it?
So it'll give you the little black sections. And also,
some little cells.
When you warm her up, you're going to get some cells. Because, you know, everyone's got to love cells.
Yeah, I like how it's just subtle though along the black line at the front. Looks really good.
Yeah, so you just give that a torch. Keep the torch moving all the time, otherwise you're going to burn the hell out of the paint. You don't want to do that.
No. You just want the air going along too to pop any bubbles.
You should get some cells popping up like that.
Yeah, that's cool. I might have to go over my fella now because I did use the Montmartre dark aqua teal there.
You did.
But I noticed I should have put more dark blue.
Look at him! Crazy dark.
He's cool. I love that. Looks
That
like
is-
he's got an eye patch too.
They are just so much fun to do.
Got to get the camera down for a close-up of him.
Yeah, let's get the camera down and have a look at that.
I love him.
Mate, how cool is he?
I think I'm going to embellish mine now. I
So-
want some more dark blue.
So, what we do is, as these dry over the next couple of hours, what we do is just go around and scrape the bottom where all the drips are dripping off. That way you don't get left with dangly drips.
Yeah, no solids hanging.
So, you only have to do it a couple of times and then the surface tension of the paint actually brings it back up. It stops it dripping off. So, man, they are a load of fun.
I had a ball. That was cool.
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
That way you get to see all this fun stuff as we release it.
Yeah, come and join the adventure. And if you're in our group on Facebook, Paint Pouring by venomfluidart, and you have a go at something we've been experimenting with, put it up. We want to see it.
Absolutely.
Cool.
Sharing is caring.
Absolutely.
Alright guys, that's it from us. So have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Yay!
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light.